the lazy person's method for creating digital products. If you've ever wanted to create digital products but found yourself putting it off because it seemed like too much work, then today's video is for you. One of the biggest changes in online business over the past few years has been the rise of AI tools. Tasks that once took days or even weeks can now be completed in a fraction of the time. That's good news for digital product creators because creating products no longer needs to be a slow and frustrating process. Now, when I say the lazy person's method, I'm talking about using smart shortcuts, automation, AI tools, and existing resources to speed up the process. You still need to make sure the finished product is accurate, useful, and valuable for your audience, but there's no reason to spend 20 hours doing something when modern tools can help you get the same task done much faster. Today, I'm going to show you several ways you can use AI to create digital products. Whether you're creating ebooks, video courses, low-content books, PLR products, presentations, coaching materials, or complete product funnels.
Hey guys, in this video we're looking at the lazy person's method for creating digital products. Now if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Number 1, let AI do the heavy lifting for your research. One of the biggest time drains when creating digital products is research. Years ago, you would spend hours searching websites, reading articles, taking notes, organizing information, and trying to figure out where to start. Today, AI tools can help organize information much faster. Tools such as ChatGPT and Claude can help generate topic ideas, outlines, chapter structures, lesson plans, checklists, worksheets, and summaries. For example, if you wanted to create a digital product about YouTube growth, you could ask the AI to generate a list of common challenges, frequently asked questions, possible chapter ideas, and action steps. Within minutes, you'll have a framework that would have taken much longer to create manually. This allows you to focus more of your energy on refining the information rather than staring at a blank page wondering where to begin. Number 2, creating ebooks with AI. One of the easiest digital products to create is an ebook. You can start by choosing a topic, then asking ChatGPT or Claude to help build a detailed outline. Once the outline is complete, you can expand each chapter individually and continue refining the information until you're happy with the final result. You can also ask the AI to create examples, exercises, action plans, checklists, and frequently asked questions. Once the writing is completed, tools such as Designer, Canva, or Microsoft Word can help turn the material into a professional-looking ebook. Many successful digital product creators are using AI to speed up the writing process because it dramatically reduces the amount of time required to create a finished product. Number 3, creating video course scripts. Video courses continue to be one of the most popular digital products available online. AI can help create complete course structures, lesson plans, teaching points, examples, exercises, quizzes, and scripts. If you know what topic you want to teach, you can ask the AI to organize the information into logical lessons and modules. From there, you can continue expanding each lesson until you have a complete course outline. This approach can save many hours because you're no longer creating everything from scratch. This can be especially useful if you're creating courses about digital marketing, PLR, YouTube growth, product creation, Amazon KDP, or making money online. Number 4, creating low-content books. Low-content books remain one of the easiest digital products to create. Examples include journals, planners, trackers, logbooks, prayer journals, fitness journals, gratitude journals, and business planners. AI can help generate journal prompts, planning categories, tracking systems, questions, challenges, and page ideas. If you're interested in creating low-content books, there is a link in the description below for BookBolt. BookBolt provides templates specifically designed for low-content books, making it much easier to create journals, planners, and trackers without needing advanced design skills. Many creators combine BookBolt with Canva and AI tools to speed up the entire creation process. Number 5, using PLR as a shortcut. One of my favorite methods is starting with PLR. PLR gives you a foundation to work from, which means you're not beginning with a completely empty document. You might purchase a PLR ebook, report, workbook, video course, article pack, or membership package. Once you've got the material, AI can help restructure it, expand sections, simplify explanations, create examples, add worksheets, generate checklists, and create bonus materials. This can save a huge amount of time because much of the initial work has already been completed. The key is spending time reviewing the final result and making it your own. Number 6, improving PLR with AI. This is where many people can dramatically improve the quality of their products. When someone feeds PLR into an AI tool and simply accepts whatever comes out, the final result often contains many of the writing habits that have become common with AI-generated material. You may notice unusual comparisons, repetitive sentence structures, exaggerated wording, and phrases that appear over and over again across many AI-generated products. A better approach is to use AI as an assistant, then spend time reviewing, editing, adding examples, including personal experiences, and improving the flow of the material. The extra effort often creates a much better experience for the reader while still saving a significant amount of time. Number 7, creating PowerPoint presentations with AI. Many people forget that PowerPoint presentations can be products by themselves. They can be sold as educational products, used inside video courses, provided as bonuses, or used for coaching and consulting. AI can help generate slide structures, lesson summaries, talking points, titles, and supporting information. You can take an ebook outline, a course outline, or a report and quickly convert it into a presentation. Some presentation tools even include AI features that help organize information into slide format automatically. This can save hours of work when creating educational products. Number 8, creating worksheets and workbooks. Worksheets and workbooks are very popular among coaches, consultants, educators, and trainers. AI can help generate exercises, reflection questions, self-assessments, planning sheets, goal-setting exercises, and action plans. If you're creating products for life coaches, business coaches, ministry leaders, or personal development markets, worksheets can add tremendous value to a product package. A workbook often gives customers practical ways to apply what they've learned, which many people appreciate. Number 9, using AI avatars. One of the fastest growing areas in digital product creation involves AI avatars. Some people create an avatar version of themselves, while others use a pre-made avatar supplied by the platform. The avatar can appear on screen and present lessons, explain concepts, introduce modules, and deliver educational material. For creators who don't enjoy being on camera, this can save a lot of time and remove some of the pressure associated with video creation. Many modern AI avatar platforms allow you to upload scripts and have the avatar present the information in a professional manner. This can work particularly well for training courses, educational products, tutorials, and membership content. Number 10, using AI voice generation. Another major shortcut involves AI voice technology. You can create voiceovers for presentations, courses, videos, training materials, and promotional products without spending hours recording audio. Many creators are now using voice cloning technology or AI-generated voices to speed up production. This can be especially useful when creating large amounts of educational material because it allows you to generate narration quickly and consistently. The technology continues to improve and many of the available voices sound remarkably natural. Number 11, creating graphics faster. Every digital product needs graphics of some kind. You may need ebook covers, social media graphics, course graphics, worksheets, presentation graphics, or product images. Tools such as Canva include AI features that help generate layouts, designs, text suggestions, and visual ideas. This dramatically reduces the amount of design work required while still allowing you to customize the final appearance. For creators who don't consider themselves designers, this can remove a major obstacle from the product creation process. Number 12, creating entire product funnels. AI can help create much more than the product itself. Once your product is complete, you can use AI to generate sales page ideas, email sequences, lead magnets, bonus products, customer follow-up emails, and marketing materials. Many creators are now building complete digital product businesses with the assistance of AI throughout the entire process. This allows them to move from idea to finished product much faster than traditional methods. When you combine AI research, AI writing, PLR, presentation tools, low-content book creation tools, AI avatars, graphics tools, and funnel creation tools, you have an incredible amount of leverage available. At the end of the day, the lazy person's method isn't about avoiding work. It's about removing unnecessary tasks, speeding up repetitive jobs, and allowing technology to help you create products more efficiently. The digital product industry continues to provide opportunities for people who are willing to learn new tools and adapt to new technology. Whether you're creating ebooks, video courses, low-content books, worksheets, presentations, coaching resources, or complete product funnels, there are now more tools available than ever before to help you get the job done. Many of the products that once took weeks to create can now be completed in days, sometimes even hours, depending on the type of product you're building and how familiar you are with the tools. The important thing is to start creating, keep learning, and continue improving your products over time.
If you got some value out of this video, help me smash the like button, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these lazy methods. Also, to let you know that right here on the left hand side of the screen you'll see a playlist. If you click on that, it's a video course. It's only 7 videos long, so it's not that long. It won't take you that long to go through it. Also too, on the right hand side you'll see the image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.